Hey Geek, so today's episode is going to be a little bit different. As you could probably tell, there is no video. It's just simply audio, me speaking into a mic. Now, this is something that I have thought about and I've also experimented in the past. And I kind of thought about doing even a podcast episode as well. But at the end of the day, I didn't really feel comfortable in doing audio only, even though that sounds really weird coming from somebody who does video, which also includes audio. But doing an audio only or podcast style content, it is different. It's definitely a different medium, and I would say it is a different experience. And as funny as this sound, doing audio only, I think it feels a little bit more personable than doing a video that also has audio. And so this might sound really weird, and you're probably thinking, why would that be the case? Because you can't even see my face. Well, whenever you're doing a video, there's a lot of things that you have to think about. You know, you're thinking about your camera angle, you're thinking about the type of shots that you want, the lighting, what you have in your environment, the way you look. There is a lot of things going on besides the fact that you definitely want to get good audio. And so I think whenever you have all of those things going on, sometimes you kind of lose track about, what you want to express, just simply expressing it. And in this case, having an audio only episode, it really is different because in this case, I really just focus on talking, expressing my ideas with almost no other filters or no other thought besides the fact that I'm just talking to you, the audience. And I feel this could be really powerful. And for some people, this might be the avenue that they go. So why am I talking about this and doing this type of episode? Well, I wanted to show people who are mostly brand new to YouTube that there are many different options when it comes to being a content creator. And I feel YouTube is probably one of the best platforms for you to experiment all different types of content. Because honestly, you're really not limited by the types of content that you want to create. If you want to do just purely video, well, that's what most people do on YouTube. But within that, there's many different types of video content you create. You could do long form content. You could do short form content like YouTube Shorts. You could do this podcast style content. You could have images on there, video, or you could just have your voice. There's just so many ways in which you could expand and also experiment with your creativity. And this is something that I highly recommend that you as a creator do throughout your journey. Because at some point, you're definitely going to lose your passion, your motivation for creativity, especially when you're not getting the type of results that you want. And one of the things that's really helped me out whenever I get to those points is, well, I just try to create in different ways or express my ideas in a different type of way. And a lot of times it helps me to break down some of those, creativity blocks that I have. And also it allows me to approach the way that I communicate with you, the audience, a little bit differently. And at the same time, it also shows another side of myself. And from a very practical point of view, it also allows me to develop and showcase new skills. And so that's just my quick video or talk today about this whole idea of being creative with different types of content to express your ideas in a different way. So if you actually had any thoughts in this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did enjoy this audio only episode, I'd like to know that as well. And we'll see you on another episode.